Hello and welcome back to Codecademy's Introduction to JavaScript. We're in the Loops section. This is loops. A loop is a programming tool that repeats a set of instructions until a specified condition called the stopping condition is reached. As a programmer, you'll find that you rely on loops all the time. You'll hear the generic term iterate when referring to loops. Iterate simply means to repeat. When we need to reuse a task in our code, we often bundle that action in a function. Similarly, when we see that a process has to repeat multiple times in a row, we write a loop. Loops allow us to create efficient code that automates processes to make scalable, manageable programs. As illustrated in the diagram, loops iterate or repeat an action until a specific condition is met. When the condition is met, the loop stops and the computer moves on to the next part of the program. Our instructions say check out the diagram to see how loops work in programming. So if we zoom out, we see here is our starting point, hungry, eat. If yes, we're giving this, are you full? And if we are full, then we stop. If not, we continue in our loop. If it's still kind of abstract to you, you're not really getting it, we'll cover it more in the next lessons, and I'll see you guys there.